This is Waffle Daddy. He
Okay.
was first Daryl, and then he became Crackerdile or Cracker Daryl, and then
I can see
Waffle
myself
Dial.
over there.
Keishan drew with normal pencil, and Benjamin did the color
But he drew
syrup bottle.
syrup bottle.
On it.
So this is one that they try to cap.
Yeah, we couldn't find the color that's the same as this, so I just used orange.
I love it, Benjamin. Good job.
It's a 9.9.
Kuya, good job.
It's a 9.9 out of 10.
you think the rating would be 9.9 or 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. Me and Keishan worked as a team to make this, by the way.
Yeah, that's good. Good job.